Hi, this is Leslie.
And Lexi.
And it's Girls Night In. Lexi and I are having a slumber party.
It is Girls Night In, the new Spring and Summer 2025 collection. This was so much fun.
What's more fun than a bunch of girls in their pajamas?
We get to come to work in our pajamas today. Like, who gets to do that?
Yes, Lexi claimed that she's wearing this outfit the rest of the day.
Yeah, I'm not. You can't get me out of the jammies now.
But there's nothing more fun than getting together with a group of girls and just talking all sorts of stuff and having all the food, the ice cream and the potato chips and all of that. So we're going to have some fun with these spring and summer colors.
Yes, we
are. So
are.
let's get to it and explain what these beautiful colors are.
Yes, I loved this one. I love this because it's such a feminine, girly collection. I feel like we really leaned towards, there are a couple brights, but there's some soft ones in here, some soft neutrals. I guess the best way to describe it is girly and feminine, hence the theme. So let's just
with some fire.
With a little fire. Actually, the first one I'm going to start with.
That's what I thought.
Is the brightest in the collection. It's the hottest in the collection. And it is called Flamin' Hot, after Flamin' Hot Cheetos in your girl dinner on your girls' night in night. So this color, Flamin' Hot, grab the fire extinguisher. It is a creamy, hot neon red. This red pulls a little bit of orange versus blue, which makes it perfect for a flamin' hot look nail. If you guys want to really be bright and you're sick of winter and you just want to cannonball into some hot sunshine nails, this is a fun neon red. We haven't really had anything like this in our collection, so it is a unique red to the Ellie line.
It is, and it is flaming hot, and it's bright for spring and summer. And I do have to say it has some orange in it, but it pulls a little more red. It doesn't have that heaviness or that darkness, but perfect color. Okay, I'm going to go into Couch Couture. It is a neutral warm pink with a touch of pearl shimmer. This is a beautifully sophisticated pink satin color. This is definitely a neutral.
Yes.
It is a warm pink. Has just a spot of brown to it almost, but yet it's really feminine. And then that tiny bit of shimmer in there, but gives it a satin look, so it softens it really pretty. But what I also like about it, it's not too, it's soft. It has some power to it. It has great coverage. It's not translucent or anything like that, but it is going to be a neutral that's going to be great for spring and summer. And you know what? You're going to get your money's worth out of this because it's going to take you year round.
I actually just got an email from Claire Pitts, one of our educators.
Oh, I love Claire.
And she is doing some swatching hand shots for us. And she goes, I just have to say, usually light pinks are streaky and kind of tough. And she said this coverage is absolutely amazing. So the fact that she wrote an email just about that color really shows how amazing this one goes on and how kind of vibrant this neutral is.
It's kind of a power neutral. Yeah, it has a softness to it.
Neutral. That's a good way to describe
power
it.
Neutral. Anyway, love it.
Next one is a Drama Queen.
Woo! Everybody knows a couple of those, right?
Everyone can relate to this for Girls Night In. We got to gossip and be drama, right?
Yeah, right. It's fun to be a drama queen sometimes.
Bold blue toned fuchsia. So this is a fuchsia that leans a little bit more towards the blue. It's a confident, outgoing, bright magenta pink. There is a whole lot of drama going on in this color. So this is the second brightest in the collection. I definitely say it is a bold, pops a punch fuchsia. So if you're shy and timid, this one is not for you. But I love a good bold magenta. You cannot go wrong. It's very creamy. It goes on really well. It's a perfect transitional color between spring and summer.
I love it. I'm going to be wearing this a lot. What I like about it is that a fuchsia, but has a little bit of sophistication to it. It's just not loud and screamy. It's bright, but it has a subtleness to it that kind of gives you, I don't know.
It's sophisticated.
It is. It is gorgeous. I mean, toes, fingers, but if you love your pinks, this is your baby. This is. All right, just venting. Don't we all like to do that every now and then? Oh, this is my venting partner right here sometimes.
Yes, we're good at venting.
I know. A creamy carnation terracotta. It's a pink with just a little bit of brown that gives it that perfect neutral pink. And it's a true spring terracotta. I also want to add, I got to looking at it later, just a little while ago. It has almost a touch of red to it, but it is a terracotta. Sometimes you might look at it and think, is this really spring and summer? But I think it's a great kind of a terracotta neutral for spring. It packs a punch though. It is not light.
It's not light.
It is bold. but it has that warmth to it, that terracotta that I think is going to be so fun.
It's more of like a rosy terracotta because it brings in that red like you were talking about.
It does.
So it's different than other terracottas that we've come out with that have been a little bit more orange or a little bit more pink. This is a red rosy terracotta.
I love it. And once again, I'm going to tell you this, it's going to take you year round.
It's going to take you year
It's going to be fun
It's a
for spring.
staple.
It is. It's all year round. Love it.
Next one is a pedi party.
Ooh, let's do
which
our toes.
I have to say, it's not on my toes, but I'm wearing it on my nails. So actually, this is the second time I've worn pedi party because everyone knows I'm a blue-green girl. I'm a teal girl. I'm a turquoise girl. This one is so fun. It's a beautiful blue aqua laced lightly with blue and green shimmer. And the shimmer is very subtle.
Very subtle.
It's a spring turquoise that will go perfect for any girl's night in. I think this is just the perfect color. I think it's the perfect spring color and summer. It's the perfect blend between blue and green. It's the perfect, not too dark, not too light. And it has the perfect amount of shimmer.
Yeah.
So honestly, I say it's the perfect color.
It's playful and fun.
It's playful and
really
fun.
is. Perfect
And
for
having
spring and
that little
summer.
bit of a green and blue shimmer in there just gives it a fun, unique, like almost a little bit of a subtle mermaid vibe.
Ooh, yeah. I like it. All right. We got chick flick and chill.
Chick flick and chill.
Oh, that sounds fun. What chick flick are we going to watch?
I don't know. You know, I just watched Notting Hill with my husband.
And I just watched The Holiday with Jim, too.
The Holiday, Notting Hill. Joseph, I look over every time we watch Notting Hill. He's just
cries.
bawling. I'm like, honey, get it together.
You gotta like a guy that can watch a good chick flick, right? It's the best. All right, chick flick and chill is a powder baby blue. This light sky blue has just a bit of white in it on the background. So it's soft, it's sweet, and it's extremely delicate. It is, nothing describes it better than a sweet powder blue.
It is.
It's a powder blue. I like it because it's not too heavy. I'm even thinking about wearing it, and I do not wear blues, but this one has enough white.
Yeah.
I think it's going to. It has a pop to it.
Shout out to Liz from the Nail Hub because
Liz!
when we were giving options, she immediately said you have to come out with this color. And I put it in my head and I was like, we got to do it. If Liz says to do it, you got to do it.
You do.
But it is our lightest blue in the collection. It's even lighter than Head in the Clouds. So if you are looking for that ultra white blue, this is your color.
It's soft. It's sweet. It's spring. It's fun. It's feminine. It's pastel-y. It's beautiful. It is.
Okay, now for all that we've been waiting for, the glitter. We want to shine and sparkle.
Every girl's night needs a little glitter in it, right?
You gotta have a girl's night in with glitter.
Would you tell him that your guy?
Oh yeah, this is my daughter's little. She's into her skincare routine now, so she wears.
She's
this.
8.
Yeah, she just turned 8, and she puts this on. This is Miranda,
She named it.
and she does her skincare routine with it. So I actually borrowed it from Tallulah,
I love it.
but
I
the
love
Lou in Q and Lou. But my first glitter I'm going to dive into is It's Wine Time.
Notice how that's spelled?
All my winos out there, this is for you. It is a medium fuchsia glitter with purple lace throughout. Pink meets purple in this beautifully transitional glitter gel. This is just a really fun, feminine pink meets purple glitter. It's a medium one. I would say 2 coats, full coverage, or you could put a pink or a purple underneath and kind of lace this throughout. But it is bold, it's fun, and it's the perfect fuchsia purple glitter gel.
Oh, I love it. It's going to be so popular. It just screams spring and summer.
It does.
And it's going to be so fun over the top of different colors, too. So it's great. And then next we have champagne problems.
Champagne problem.
Got the wine, got the champagne.
We all have champagne problems, don't we?
All right, takes your problems away. Who knows? It is a true spring champagne. Sparkle and shine with this rosy bronze that will take you throughout the entire year. So this champagne, you know that we have a champagne glitter. It's one of our most popular glitters. We've had it forever. This one is more bronzy. It's a little bit browner. It's got a darker tone to it, but it pops. Yeah, and
It pops more.
It pops, and it has that champagne bubbles coming out all over it. But it's a darker champagne than our other. I think it's going to be absolutely fun. Once again,
It's a year rounder.
It is a year rounder, but I think some of those, neutral brown colors are so good for spring and summer.
And it pops a little bit of copperness. It sparkles. It's very reflective.
It is.
It's fancy. It is fancy.
It's fancy.
And you can't go. Our number one color in glitters is anything that is champagne or brown or neutral. That's
gold.
Rose golds. That's what sells.
Yep.
So if you are looking for a beautiful rose gold champagne, this is it.
Yes.
All right, Gossip and Glow.
Oh, sounds fun.
I got to give a shout out to my husband, Joseph. He actually named this color, which I am shocked that he could pull out a Gossip and Glow.
Oh, he does watch Notting Hill.
He does watch Notting Hill, so can't blame the guy.
No.
This is a reflective, transluctive mint green. This is soft and sweet, and it flashes a little bit of pink throughout, which even though it's soft and sweet, it gives it a little spice because of the flash. This is the most unique glitter I think we've ever come out with color-wise. You have mint green, but you have the pop of pink in it.
And a little bit of blue, not just green. And you know what I like about this one? It has that flash. It's one of those reflective
glitters, yeah.
But it's going to be so cool if you put it over a solid color, a red or a black or a green or it's really going to take on a whole different personality.
It is. It's one of those kind of more translucent, fun ones that change.
Yeah.
But that pink flash in it, it's so fun. I think by itself, is going to be beautiful.
Soft, but it captures a lot of excitement.
Yes, it
it's
does.
very exciting.
Captures excitement. That's
it does. Everybody needs to capture some
should we do a drum roll for this next
Drum roll, yes. Okay, guys, you heard it here first. So I'm going to be clear about this. What it's called Diamonds and Pearls. We have found a glitter that matches our diamond. I am going to say, though, it is not the exact diamond we used to have, but I think it's better. I'm going to say it. I'm going to go out and
it's damn close.
Oh my gosh. You guys are going to go crazy. Everybody's going to need to order at least 6 of these because you're going to want them.
Holly has been looking for a glitter to match diamond for 5 years.
Because you guys are relentless. You never give up asking for it.
So I would say this is the sister of diamonds. It's so close. It's not even the cousin.
It's almost like the twin sister.
It's hard to even tell a difference almost.
So the original diamond glitter gel sister, like Lexi just said, you are going to love it. It just sparkles and it shines and it just goes with so many different things. I think that's what people liked about diamond is not only is it absolutely stunningly beautiful, but you can put it with anything, put all the colors.
It's so versatile.
Oh, by itself.
And it's so reflective and shiny.
You guys are going to go crazy. I mean, the phone's going to start ringing. So I'm going to tell you, I would order a few because it's going to go fast.
It's going to go quick. So people have been waiting years for this color.
We're so excited to.
And this is a great transition into don't make a poor decision.
It's called poor decisions.
It's called poor decisions.
Have we all made those before?
Well, girls' night in, you make a lot of those. You know, you drink a little too much wine, and then you start getting a little blabby.
Yeah. Well, you can also get the answers on how to correct that decision.
So, poor decisions. This is a reflective glitter that is not a poor decision. So you're gonna want to get it. This blue and pink medium glitter creates a fun blend of color and flash. When you immediately look at this, you think it's blue from a distance, but you get a little bit closer. It's kind of what's it called? What else? No, it has all the flashes. Iridescent. So it does pull a little bit of iridescent, and there is the pink throughout the blue. So it's just a really fun.
You know what I like about it? It is so soft and sweet, but yet it has a whole lot going on.
Yes,
in a really classy way.
Yep.
So it's not a poor decision.
No.
All right, all talk, no action. Well, that won't be happening at our party.
No.
It's a fine, sweet, but very reflective pink glitter. A true pink that Ellie has been waiting for. Bright yet soft. And I'll tell you what, I think we hit the perfect pink glitter.
Yes.
We have pinks. I feel like we've never had that sweet spot, that perfect spot.
Well, a lot of our pinks have like matte.
Oh, but this one is so all talk, no action is the perfect pink. It's going to be beautiful by itself. It's going to be gorgeous over other pinks. It's going to be pretty with the
reflective. It's the flashiest of our pinks.
Gosh. Yeah, because it's a soft pink It's kind of soft, but yet it has that reflective, so it gives it that
Packs
pop.
that punch,
It's a little oxymoron, but that's what I like about it. I will be wearing this on my toes for sure. I usually don't wear glitter on my fingers. But maybe
By
I'll do
itself,
it.
by
Maybe,
itself.
maybe this will be the one that makes me do it.
We hope you guys enjoyed our Girls Night In collection. Leslie and I are sitting here having a little girl dinner.
I know.
Cheers.
This is the perfect girl dinner.
We got
I've
Cheetos,
some
we got
Sour
Sour
Patches.
Those are good.
I know. Well, the only thing we're missing is chocolate, but that's okay. But
We'll get that later.
The Girls Night In Light Elegance's Spring and Summer 2025 collection is amazing. It has something for everybody. It's so on trend. It has fun, light, neutrals and brights and everything you could ever want for spring.
Yep.
Did you get out of my candy?
I know. I can't help it. I love the Sour Patch Kids.
All right, order this collection now. It comes in the Soak Off P Plus line and in the hard gels, both the glitter and the colors. And let's just have, you know what? Get together with some girls and have some fun and do some pedicures. or
And
something.
manicures.
Yeah.
Remember, everything is manufactured responsibly here at Light Elegance in Redmond, Oregon, USA.
And remember, what's inside matters.
Woo! Girls